Look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the Work Truck Preferred Equipment Group, windows, locks and mirrors, power, deletes remote keyless entry, dark titanium, vinyl, remote keyless entry, with 2 transmitters, panic button and content theft alarm, door locks, power, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear, silver ice metallic, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, exhaust brake, alternator, dual, 125 mph, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, transmission, Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, skid plate package, tires, LT 235/ADR17E all-season highway, black wall. Audio system, AM/FM stereo, license plate front mounting package and a tire, spare LT 235/ADR17E highway. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.